Have you seen the Mel Gibson starrer movie What Women Want? So, did you get your answer? Well, I know some questions don't have answers. I have a simple question for you. What dentists want, what you want? And I'm sure you would say patience. So today in this video, I am going to tell you how you can increase your patient footfall using word of mouth. Hi, this is Dr. Pranav. I have been working as a practice marketing consultant for dentists since 2013. Over the past 7-8 years, I tried and tested several marketing tools for dental practice growth. In fact, I did thousands of marketing campaigns and failed. Also, as a part of my work, I have to regularly interact with doctors, and during these interactions, I discovered many interesting facts on dental practice marketing. And one of the facts is that word of mouth works the best among all the other marketing tools. But unfortunately, very few practitioners know how word of mouth process works. And that's the reason it works in its own way, at its own speed for majority of the dentists. And they think word of mouth is unpredictable. But it's time to change your perception. Let's understand the word of mouth process with an example. A patient, let's call him Ajay, undergoes a treatment at your clinic. He likes the way you cared for him, and he also thinks that your treatment charges are reasonable. So overall, a happy experience for Ajay. Now, if someone asks Ajay for a good dentist, it's very likely that he will recommend you, isn't it? This is what word of mouth is. It will instantly establish certain trust about you in Ajay's friend even before he has met you. Also, it is very less likely that this friend of Ajay will question your treatment approach or negotiate on your treatment charges. I'm sure you must have experienced this in your practice. If word of mouth is so powerful, then why it doesn't work for everyone? Ever thought about it? Maybe because you miss out on some crucial insights of word of mouth process. Now let's go to the insights. The first insight. The success ratio of word of mouth is directly proportional to number of happy patients. So you have to first make sure that the patients are happy after getting their treatment by you. The second insight. Ajay could know hundreds of people, friends, neighbors, relatives, office mates, and so on. But remember, he will recommend you only when he is asked for a good dentist, not otherwise. Also, it's quite possible that several friends of Ajay could have a dental problem, but when they meet, that topic may not come up. So can you see the lost opportunity over here? You have a happy patient who is ready to spread good words about you, but you did not give him the chance to do it. So far, you might have had several happy patients like Ajay in your practice. Just think about the opportunities that you wasted till now. So here's the third and last insight. Despite being happy about the treatment, Ajay can forget you and your practice after a few months or years. And if this happens, it will break the word of mouth chain. So you have to ensure that you always have a good brand presence. So friends, I have shared all the three insights, and if you work on them, you can turn these insights into opportunities. As a practitioner, you have some control over the first insight. That is, you can increase the number of happy patients in your practice. But what about the second and third insight? Now, you must be wondering if there is any way to control these factors. And if you ask me, my answer is yes. You can really add wings to your word of mouth process. It works beautifully and it can earn you many patients without spending anything on marketing. Are you interested in learning how to get best results from word of mouth? If yes, sign up for my powerful session on word of mouth and boost your patient footfall. Sign up now.